In 5 years of handling boundary disputes, I've seen a disagreement over a fence turn into years of costly litigation between neighbours. I've seen clients spend tens of thousands of pounds over a few inches of land, and I've helped many others resolve the same kind of dispute through sensible negotiation without ever setting foot in a courtroom. The truth is, most boundary disputes don't need to end in court, but they do need expert advice early before positions harden and costs spiral. Here's what I've learned. First, land registry title plans don't show you the answer. The red lines on your title plan shows general boundaries, they're not precise to the centimetre, and the land registry itself says they're not definitive for boundary disputes. So when a client comes to me convinced the title deed settles the matter, the reality is often more complicated. Establishing where a boundary actually sits can require historical aerial photographs, old surveys, cell particulars, and careful analysis of title documents. Second, boundary disputes are rarely just about the boundary. I've handled cases where the real issue was noise, parking, or a long-running personality clash, and the fence became the battleground for something much deeper. Understanding that changes how you approach resolution. Third, and this is the most important point, the majority of these disputes can be resolved through skilled negotiation. A boundary agreement, properly drafted and registered with the land registry, provides permanent certainty and avoids the damage that litigation does to neighbourly relationships. That's almost always the better outcome. Mediation is also highly effective here. Unlike litigation, where someone wins and someone loses, mediation allows both parties to reach a practical solution while maintaining a civil relationship, which matters when you're going to be living next door to each other. When negotiation generally fails, litigation becomes necessary and you need solicitors who know boundary law inside out. At Duncan Lewis Solicitors, that's exactly what we do. Contact us today for an initial assessment of your dispute.